What's up guys, it's Kyle here. So I wanted to do an update to the uneven shoulders post I did like last year. It was a super quick thing I did, but I did it all in one go. So I'm gonna try to do that again today. But anyways, so I've been in the facility here. I'm doing some filming today. I've been working out for like 2 hours. And with that, my right shoulder, if we kind of relax here, is definitely sort of falling down a little bit lower. This is due to me playing baseball. I ran hurdles. I basically have this pattern, or you could even look at it as a left AIC pattern from postural restoration. But it's something that creeps up, especially as I start to exert myself. As you can see, I'm kind of out of breath right now. I just did some sprints. So especially when I get to those higher level activities, the shoulder just wants to drop on me. And that's not a bad thing. It's a typical pattern that occurs just because of our asymmetrical organs. We have 3 lobes of the lung on the right versus 2 lobes on the left, a heart, a big liver over here on the right. It just sort of kicks in at times. So it's a stress pattern, if you would. But that said, it's something that we want to manage, especially as we are doing a workout or at the gym, something like that. So yeah, as you can see, I'll just relax again. So I'm letting gravity completely win, and you can kind of see how that right shoulder is a little lower. So something I do in between my sets while I'm working out is I will, go over here to a squat rack, really anything I can just hold on to. And I'll try to show you guys from a couple different angles, but I'll grab a hold of it with this right arm. I'm gonna try to inhibit the serratus, this lat, get them to sort of stretch out, get these intercostals to open up. So I'll grab a hold, just like so. I'm gonna put my left foot in front, my right foot in back. Left hand is gonna reach down toward the toes here on the left. So all I'm gonna do, keep my weight sort of back in my heels, reach my butt back behind me. I can do a slight tuck, but if you don't want to, no big deal. But all I'm gonna do is exhale everything out, shift my weight backwards, reach these fingertips on the left down to the left toes. I'm gonna inhale. I'm gonna do this for about 5 breaths, okay? I don't wanna crunch or anything crazy. I'm just gonna hang out here. And every time I inhale, I'm trying to fill up that right side, lengthen that right lat. So I would normally do that for about five times, but I'm gonna try to show you guys over here on the other side, or give you a little bit better view. So we'll come over here. Maybe I can edit this and get some like zoom features going or something. But anyway, so I'm here. Right foot is back, left foot is forward, trying to really lengthen that side out. We're gonna reach down, let that weight hang back. Exhale, reach these fingertips down. Don't let that shoulder hike up. Inhale. I know this is probably getting boring, but again, we're just doing this all in one take. Last little tip I've got for you is every time you exhale, you're trying to get this right rib to come down and in, hold it in place, and then inhale. And don't let that pop out. If that pops out, then you're not getting the pressure that you want up into that right side. Basically, everything we're doing, that whole setup is so that, there I am, now I'm in frame. That whole setup is to block things off, so that way that air pressure goes boom, up over into this right shoulder to lift it up. So we'll just retest. I'll stand here, just completely relax. And that right shoulder should be higher. Honestly, I don't know if it is. Hopefully it is, so that way I can post this. The camera is like super small, but yeah, hopefully that right shoulder's up. So I would do this in between sets, especially if you're doing arms, chest, back, something like that, or even your deadlifts and squats, just to kind of keep everything nice and even. I'll throw some like before and after photos on here too. So I hope that helps you guys out with evening out your shoulders, especially when you're in the gym setting. Thanks, bye.